almost done now. Now let's see the effects of the closing entries. We've got these, we've put them into the general ledger. Let's see what happens on the post-closing trial balance now. So we took fees earned right here, and we debited it for 44,350. What does that make this balance? There is no balance, right? We credited all of the expenses for a total of 875. So those balances should all be zero now in those accounts. Is that correct? And 1,400. So we've got that. In the process, we went to the income summary. So now we are crediting this income summary, in essence, right here. And that is going, or we're debiting it, I'm sorry. And we're going to credit owner's equity, or capital. So we're going to credit that for 33,475. And it's starting to look a little bit better, isn't it? Just slightly. Okay, so now we have the income taken care of. These balances are all zero. This has a credit. It's going to be added to your capital. And our very last one is the draw account. So where did that little booger go? This needs to be credited for 12,500, which makes that a zero balance. And you'll notice that gets debited into, these don't have to be in red, it just happens to be a carryover from something else that was on this sheet, I guess. So now, all of these balances are zero. We don't care anymore. All we care about are the balance sheet accounts. So let's see what we end up with here. So it's 32,450. If I've done this correctly, and that's a big if, because you're dealing with a lot of numbers, and that's why we do the trial balance. The balance sheet should now be balanced. There should be no balances in your income statement, and you should be ready to start the next. Okay, so this equals, let's see if I've done it right. If not, we'll start all over. This minus this plus this. 65,975. Now, when I do a total here, we're hoping, if I haven't forgotten something, that we balance. You think we will? Oh, we don't. What did I do wrong? What did I forget? I should balance. Why don't I balance? Hold on, let's see what... Okay, did you see what your instructor did? See that 1,400? Needs to be 14,000. Now we balance. Looky there. So now you have solved all those problems. We've created the correct capital balance. I have emptied these accounts so we can start for the next period, accounting period. And I have a balanced balance sheet. All my accounts are ready to go. Everybody's happy. So that is how you do the, let's go back, you do your adjustments, your closings right here, and then ensure that everything is in balance. And you're always going to have mistakes and have to go back and try to figure out. Those are a lot of numbers to play with, folks. So that is a wrap up on this. Now the next video is going to be about how to transfer all of this into Cengage. Hopefully it will help you a little bit and understand how to do that. So thank you for listening.